Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got something seriously special for you. If you've ever wondered what a true luxury Class A motorhome feels like, not just looks like, but actually feels like to live in, this is the one you've been waiting for. Today we're taking a full tour of the Tiffin Allegro Bus 36AP, and trust me, this thing is on another level. Starting out here on the outside, the first thing you're going to notice is just how premium this coach looks. You've got that full-body paint, super clean lines, and a design that honestly looks more like a luxury tour bus than an RV. Now, one thing Tiffin does really well is storage, and down below, you've got these massive pass-through storage bays. These are perfect for long trips, full-time living, or if you're bringing a lot of gear with you. Coming over here, you've got your power awning, which gives you a really nice outdoor living space. Whether you're parked at a campground or somewhere scenic, this is where you're going to spend a lot of your time. Now, this is a diesel pusher, which means the engine is in the rear, and what that gives you is a smoother, quieter ride going down the road. And for those of you thinking about towing, you've got solid towing capability here, so bringing along a car or trailer is not a problem at all. As we make our way around the back, you'll notice the clean rear design, integrated lighting, and backup camera, everything you need for easy maneuvering. Alright guys, stepping inside. And this is where things really start to shine. Right away, you're going to notice the quality, from the flooring to the cabinetry to the lighting, everything in here feels high-end and well put together. And with the slide-outs open, this coach feels incredibly spacious. I mean, you've got room to walk around comfortably without ever feeling cramped. The lighting in here is also really well done, soft, modern, and evenly distributed throughout the coach. Now moving into the main living area. This is where you're going to spend most of your time relaxing. You've got super comfortable seating here, perfect for watching TV, hanging out, or just kicking back after a long day. Across from that, you've got a large TV and entertainment setup, making this feel just like a living room at home. And again, all the cabinetry and storage up above, tons of space for everything you need. Now let's talk about the kitchen. This is a fully functional setup, not just something that looks good, but something you can actually cook in every day. You've got a large countertop area, which gives you plenty of prep space. Modern appliances are built in, and everything is positioned in a way that makes cooking easy and convenient. And of course, you've got a full-size refrigerator, so storing food for longer trips is no issue at all. Bathroom. Coming back to the bathroom. This is another area where you really feel that residential touch. You've got a large shower with plenty of space to move around, modern fixtures, and a clean design overall. It doesn't feel like an RV bathroom, it feels like something you'd find in a home. And finally, making our way into the bedroom. You've got a comfortable bed here, surrounded by storage wardrobes, cabinets, everything you need for longer stays. It's quiet, it's private, and it's a really relaxing space to end your day. If you guys enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this coach. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.